Hey, welcome to Robert's Library. This is Amy, and I want to talk to you guys about doing an annotated bibliography in APA style. First thing I want to do is show you my contact information. So if you have any questions during this assignment or project, anything related to research or formatting, please do let me know. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to Google. And I want to talk to you about the Purdue Owl APA page. So I'm just going to type that in. That's how I always get there. Purdue Owl is a really extensive, up-to-date resource that will tell you how to format your citations in APA style. The left-hand side talks about in your reference list, how to list different types of sources. So if you are citing an article from an online periodical or something, that would be under electronic. I think websites are probably on here as well, scrolling down. Yeah, like chapter section of a web document. Should be one somewhere for here we go, non-periodical web document or report. You could cite emails. There's lots of different options on there. Books, of course, different types of print sources, so interviews, stuff like that. So that's all available there. Purdue Owl APA. So that is citing, here's an example here, just the reference entry for an item. I actually went in, in another tab here, I've Googled APA sample annotation, and this is from the Purdue Owl as well, but you can see here what they have is they're going to have the reference entry, and then they're going to have an annotation, which is a brief summary of the work and how it might relate to your project. So anyway, a lot of times students want to know what an annotated bibliography looks like. So here is an example of an entry for one. And here I found an image of a page where you would see multiple entries listed on a page. So you can kind of see there's the citation, and then the blue section shows the annotation. And I think typically about 90 to 110 words is what you want to aim for on the annotation, but you do want to talk to your teacher and just ask them if they have specific guidelines for that. So anyway, that's what that would look like.